Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you how you can deposit your local currency Naira into your Binance account, and it's just going to take very few minutes. So let's get into it. This is my Binance account. You can see here. Now there are three options. You can either deposit Naira through peer-to-peer, or you deposit it through your Visa or MasterCard, or you deposit it through a method called cash process. So that's the easiest way to deposit money. I will be showing you how you can do that easily. So when you open your Binance account, all you see here is you see P2P trading in the home page. You see P2P trading, you see buy with NGN, and you see deposit NGN. So we'll come to this deposit NGN here. Click on it. So once it loads, this one is very easy to deposit money. If you are a newbie, you're just using crypto you're just using Binance for the first time, or you want to start trading cryptocurrency, it's the easiest way. So once it loads, you see a bank transfer e-wallet. So the one you're going to do, okay, you come here first where you see your currency. You come here and select Naira. Make sure it is in Naira. Make sure it's in Naira. You can select your currency if you are not using Naira, any other currency, but it's Naira we are using. So we'll come here and click on is in bank transfer, cash link, bank transfer, cash link. So we'll click on continue. Continue. So we're going to add our bank account or add our bank details. Add my bank details here. The bank name, they're asking for bank name. Okay, so I've added my bank account. Then the contact information. Okay, so now if you're adding your phone number, make sure you remove the 0 in front of your number. We'll let you start from 8 or 7, whichever number you are using. If it's 081, you remove the 0 and make it 81. If it's 070, remove the 0 and make it 70. So we click on confirm. It says here your phone will be lost if you make deposit from an account that does not match your verified name. So anytime you want to be making deposit through this method, make sure that it is through that account you added here. If not, you have to come and add another account. You must make deposits transfers through that account. That's the only one that is accepted. So what I'll do is now amount. How much do I want to deposit? So let's say I want to deposit 35,000. Okay. So you can see here showing 35,000 naira, actual payment 35,000 naira. So I'll click on continue. So you can see. So this one now, I'm being charged a fee of 350 naira for this transaction. It is actually very fast. It's faster than the peer-to-peer. And this person has a 99% completion rate. So if I deposit, I'll be getting 4,615 naira. So what I'll do, I'll just come and click on this one, click on this person, favor, then click on send request. And these are the charts. So I'll click on send request. So I'm waiting for it to load. So now what I just need to do now is I have to come here. This is the person's account. You may not be seeing it because I've blocked it for security reasons. So you can see here the person's account name, the person's bank. So what I'll just do, I'll copy this account number. I'll copy it now. Copied it. Copied it. So I'll just minimize. Then I'll now come and do the transfer. Come and do the transfer here. So I've copied the person's account. So since I'm doing, I just copy. I'll paste the person's account number. You type the amount I want to transfer, 5,000. The person's account number. Then I would send it. So now, since I've made the transfer, I'll just come here. You see a section where there's a green button here that is showing I have paid. So I'll click on it. Then once I click on it, I'll wait for the person to confirm the transaction. So you can see a confirming your transfer. We are waiting. You're now waiting for your order to be completed. So once the money has been received, the payment will be sent directly to my Binance account. We are still waiting for it to come.